जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर सांख्य योगम 50th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा टीचिंग आत्मविद्या to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma says, "O Arjuna, you need to perform all your actions with an efficiency which is known as Kausalam." Kausalam means Kusa is Darbha. When you are trying to pull Darbha or when you are trying to cut Darbha, there is a chance that Darbha, grass blade, may cut your hand. So without letting Darbha cut your hand, but pulling Darbha or cutting Darbha is that entire process, that efficiency is known as Kausalam. Now Krishna Paramatma asking us to implement that kind of efficiency in performing all of our activities. Now Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Arjuna, keep on performing all of your duties, responsibilities and every related activities. While doing that, do not pay attention towards the results. And then even if you do not seek result, there will be some results out of your actions. You may like it, you may not like it. So do not pay attention towards those likes and dislikes also. Keep on maintaining balanced state of mind. Keep on maintaining evenness in your mind. And do never say that I do not want to perform my activities." So this entire process, if you can implement in your performing activities, that is called an efficiency. That is known as Kausalam. With that Kausalam, while performing your duties, you will not be tainted by either Punya karma or Papa karma. You will be free from all the bondage which is caused by all your activities. That is how you should be leading your life. If you keep doing this, that means you are doing Karma Yoga. That means you are doing Nishkama Karma Yogam. That also known as Yogam. Like this, Krishna Paramatma instructing all of us to implement an efficiency in performing our day-to-day occasional activities, so that none of the effect of our activities will cause any bondage to us. Having this Krishna Paramatma's teaching running in our thoughts, let us now repeat Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Buddhi yukto jahatiha vubhe sukruta dushkrute तस्मात् योगाय युज्यस्व। योगः कर्मसु कौशलम्। Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma from 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, do all your activities as my service, do namaskaram to me, do surrender to me alone unconditionally, mamekam Saranam Vraja, do not cry, Ma Suchaha. Keep reading at least one Gita sloka every day. Keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep performing all my activities as your service. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on doing namaskaram to you. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep reading at least one Gita sloka every day. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say, I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Sriman Narayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Suta Maharshi disclosing Srimad Bhagavatam to Saunaka and other Maharshis. Maharshi saying that, O Saunaka and other Rishis, Gomata is now having a conversation with Dharmadevata, saying that, O Dharmadevata, Paramatma has such a wonderful, great qualities and attributes. Paramatma has Satyam, truth is the abode of Paramatma. Suchitvam, purity is there. Paramatma cannot tolerate while others are crying. Paramatma has control over the angry. Paramatma is self-content. Paramatma has control over his mind. Paramatma has control over his sensory organs. Paramatma has responsibility. Paramatma is has an equal vision. Paramatma has the patience, endurance. Paramatma has Shraddha. Paramatma has Jnanam. Paramatma has Virakti. Paramatma has the leadership quality. Paramatma has Sauryam. Paramatma has effulgence. Paramatma has a quality that he will be able to attain everything. Paramatma has an ability of performing all activities. Paramatma has an independence. Paramatma has a great amount of efficiency. Paramatma has handsomeness. Paramatma has bravery. Paramatma has the great talent. Paramatma has humbleness. Paramatma has great character. Paramatma has manodhairyam. Paramatma has full knowledge, full wisdom. Paramatma has all kind of great comforts around him. Paramatma is always pleasant. Such great Kalyana Gunas Sri Krishna Bhagavan has always. O Dharmadevata, such Sri Krishna Paramatma is no more on this Dharitri, on this earth. He has withdrawn his avataram. Tenaham gunapatrena Srinivasena Sampratam. He is an abode of Sakshat Lakshmi Devi. Such great Sri Krishna Paramatma left me now. O Dharmadevata, that is why Sochami Rahitam Lokam Papmana Kalinekshitam. That is why I am crying. That is why I am grieving. The moment Sri Krishna Bhagavan left me, immediately Kali came and occupied me. O Dharmadevata, the moment Kali came and occupied me, I started worrying about myself. Atmanancha anusochami. I started worrying about me. Not only that, bhavantancha, I started worrying about you also. O Dharmadevata, not only myself and yourself, but also I am started worrying about Amarottamam. Worrying about Devatas also, what is going to happen to Devatas. That is how Gomata is talking to Dharmadevata. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Jayatu Jayatu Devo Devaki Nandanoyam. Jayatu Jayatu Krishna Vrushnivamsa Pradipaha. Jayatu Jayatu Meghasyamalah Komalangaha. Jayatu Jayatu Prudhvi Bharanaso Mukundaha. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Amarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 50th sloka. Buddhi yukto jahatiha vubhe sukruta dushkrute. Tasmad yogaya yujyasva yogah karmasu kausalam. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.